Hello Luigi, hello Sultan. Today we're hacking. What OST shall we pick for today? Ratchet and Clank OST. Alright, let's do it. David Mojon. I think that's his name. Man, I have to start editing my video this week. Or today. And I should finish it tomorrow so I can upload it Saturday. It's gonna be a lot of work. Hello, droid. Man, I'm not even sure if I can finish it this week. Maybe I have to make the video next week. When was my last video? How acceptable would it be if I waited another week for my video? Hello, Ricardo. My last week was already a month ago. Shit. Probably should. Actually, I can also do it Sunday. But it should be in the next 2 days. Oh man. Hello, Epic Meme Gamer. Hello, Just Dude. Hello, Skyloft. He keeps leaking their own stuff, it's hilarious. Oh. It's Fire Emblem. Wait, I gotta say something very important real quick. I might have still another week for my video. If my Patreons don't hate me for not uploading this month by now. Ooh. Do they hate me or not? I don't know. I hope not. Maybe I have another week. I can make the video better that way. Been wondering how your ROMhack recognizes that it's running on an emulator, like used the mosaic recognize sensing when the hack still detects it. How did you do that? The emulator is inaccurate, that's all. Yes, Mario now has new gloves. You like them? Oh god, what's this buff piece of shit doing now? Making Mario. They're all trolling me saying that my hack is on PC port. I'm gonna cry. So our mission today is making this plant here. You're gonna make it so that you can catch it. If you touch it, you catch it. Yeah, but we gotta add, you know, jumps to it. My nut has a very nice texture. Yes, the boss is done. So first is making it so that it can jump over any walls it sees, and I think that's about it. And what I want to have in, it says it wasn't good enough. What does the hack do to detect an MU? We check the cycle count increase over a few instructions and one iCache load. And we check some of the RCP registers, that time, like draw time and stuff like that. So if either one of the two fails, then it's time to switch to MU only performance things. Yes, it's Ratchet and Clank. We're listening to UST today. It's your birthday, Leila. Happy birthday, Leila. But no. It's not your birthday? Well, why would you say that? No, you just look like an asshole. Why would I remember your birthday? It was a test. Dude, it's not like you're my girlfriend or anything. Why are you testing me? Bitches be testing you and I'm not even their boyfriend. Unbelievable. Woman moment. It's not October 10th, no. Discord? Okay, wait, this might be important. We pretty much did with the gloves what I did too, very simple but effective update. I suggest you also get the brown part of the shoes. Huh? That is what I... Wait, you don't see the shoes? Let me show you the shoes. My chocolate pre-workout stuff, that wasn't a pre-workout, it was just Chucky Mug. There, you see the shoes? Bitches be testing and I'm not even dating them. Yep. Yep. Parasocial relationship. Yes, it is in October. What can you bench, squat, deadlift? My bench right now, I work out with 225. I do 6 sets, 9 reps. My deadlift, I work out with, I think, 380. I do 5 sets, 5 reps. And my squat is a little bit behind because I squat very deep. So my squat is like only 280, 5 sets, 5 reps. Hello Tyler, sure Tyler. Yep, you can definitely use anti-emulator code. Do you like apples? Yes, I like green apples the best. I can, Lila, but I won't. That'd be stupid. Dude, green apples are a banger. Another question for you, are you real? Yes. Granny Smith? Yes, Granny Smith is the best. Alright, let me think. So today can I finish editing my video today? I was thinking of doing a merch store. Me and Zaina, we were writing down a few ideas. So the first idea we have is the Rambo's Goes Room Room, which is like a sticker you can put on things. The second idea we have is like a crying cat, and there's a hammer, and the hammer is sitting the cat, and the hammer says DMCA on it. And the third one we have is like a dinosaur just going like, yeah, just program well. What's the video about? It's about Chris 7. He wants me to update his pants. I disagree with putting a texture on his pants. I think it would look pretty bad. And if I was gonna update them, I would probably use a grayscale noise texture and multiply it with the nth color. Which, now that I think about it, might actually look good. Wait. Let me think about this. Let's look at Mario again. I said a noise texture, not noise. Needs a fast extraction. The problem with those things is that they are stream exclusive. Yeah, so you could definitely put the texture. The one issue I have with the texture on this is that when Mario's limbs bend, the texture's gonna bend too. That might look weird. NES can go over 2000 polygons? I don't think that's true. Would be better. Yeah, I mean, there's no other way to do it. Yeah, a noise texture could look really good on this. The problem is the noise texture would also be blending into this. And it would be loaded for every limb. Maybe if FAST64 was more optimized, I could do it. As it stands right now, I don't think it's possible to do it without it looking like shit. Yeah, also this combiner wouldn't be possible anymore. I'd have to use decals. I'm gonna try it though, in case I would look. I mean, we can give it a quick try here. NES can run more than 2048 triangles per frame because there's a limited amount of polygon run. You can render more if you render quads. Oh, so you can render like 4096 triangles with quads too? Or how does it work? Not that much. It doesn't look awful. Ah, okay. Looks like polyester. I don't think I want to deal with it right now, but it's worth a consideration sometime. They're not really decals, they are the same triangle. Every time I randomly join, Cass's pecs get bigger. I do work out every day. I should probably move to start warp. We're done here. I'm pretty sure that the original Mario 64 renders more than 2000 triangles a frame very many times. So 64DS or the NDS not being able to do that is very surprising to me. Especially because I think people use the PC pod to run Mario 64 on the DS. Right? Not right? Well, that worked really fucking well. Except for the part where you randomly jumped at the beginning. Holy shit. Why is this so good? Oh, okay. Yeah, I know that the Nintendo DS Mario has like 130 polygons less, I think. Something like that. But I'm surprised still. Like Bowman's Battlefield alone is like 1070 polygons, and I don't think they reduce detail on that. Yes, we're still adding an animation later. I'm right now just programming the code. Hello, Sonic the Hedgehog. Push the check. Oh, fine. How's Case today? I'm fine, but I have to do so much work today with the video editing. We need to get the video done. We need to get our merch done. I can probably finish the video today if everything goes well. Hello, Lambona. I didn't export the level, did I? What are we doing today? Programming. How expensive would it be to hire a video chat? Too expensive, not worth it. Plus, how would I even begin to explain to a video editor what to do? We do have the higher res versions of the course icons, and we can definitely make merch out of some of them. Like, okay, this one here would be very questionable, but like, this one might work. This one here definitely works. It doesn't even feature any Mario characters. Any food advices I follow? Oh, this one here also definitely works. I mean, there's many things I know about foods that I respect when I eat. I guess the most basic advice is like get 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So me being 91 kilos, I get like 200 grams of protein a day. And the rest just kind of falls in place. The plant did that again. I don't think Prophet might know. Prof gave them to me for free use. The plant doesn't run yet, it doesn't have an animation, but we're going to add an animation. It looked like a jump just now. Oh, I know why, because it's the punchable behavior. You thought his legs were just wheels. Oh yeah, that seems like the same thing they do in OOT. That's what you already do? Very nice. Oh, one special thing I do for food is every night, right before bed, I eat half a pound of cottage cheese or quark. No fat. It's very disgusting, but it's very good. Legs need some work, what's wrong with them? Okay, so one issue I have with this is that at the beginning it like turned around and jumped. I think it's related to this here. Well, you wanna use the no-fat version. It's basically pure protein, and it's slow digesting milk protein, which means that your body will have enough protein during the night. What is this? I hate the way it turns around. Why would your body need protein during the night? To synthesize more muscle. It's a difference of like maybe a 1% or something, right? Your body most likely already has enough protein to use during the night. It's like a micro optimization, but for muscle building. I'm drinking before bed, like the problem with the drink is that you're probably gonna wake up at like 2 AM to take a piss. I mean, I wake up every night at 4 AM to take a piss. It's kind of annoying. But yeah. Let me try to increase the timer here. This is a weird thing. Is CF base phase extreme? Yeah, that is true. It's not a huge deal to wake up, right? I probably wake up when I'm in like, I don't know what it's called. When I'm not in deep sleep. Right, because you're more likely to wake up when not in deep sleep. So probably that's when my bladder is like so bad that I wake up. So it doesn't really matter. Alright, so adding the timer here did not help. For some reason, it always turns around. Discord. I made a quick mob up using the 64DS textures. This looks a bit too low res, it's mirrored up for my taste. Like I said, I would probably do it if it wasn't for Fast64 currently not being optimal enough to actually take advantage from this. Right, because right now we would have to reload this noise texture for like the head, the body, the arm, the lower arm, the fist, the other arm, the other lower arm, the other fist, the leg, the lower leg, the lower leg, the shoe, the shoe, the shoe. It's like 12 texture loads. It's gonna be like a full second on the RDP, millisecond. $20.48 after frosting / backface culling. Oh, that is a huge difference. That is a huge difference. Because now you're factoring frosting and backface culling. It's like, yeah. Right, even my levels are not like 2048 triangles after frost and backface culling. That's not even really a limitation. At least compared to N64. Just think about like Mario's model. You have the camera looking at you like this, right? That means around half the triangles that are in the level are already culled from just backface culling. And then frost and culling on top of that. Realistically, that means you can have like 6,000 triangles in a scene. Actually 6,000 is maybe a bit much, but I mean, with quads added in, 6,000 seems realistic. If I'm saying something wrong, go and stop me, pants. Oh, okay, so what I'm saying seems about right. That's good. Hello, Bloxel. 6 vertex limit, I guess it's also rendered vertices, then that's not really an issue either. Hello, Bloxel. Build and cell shading and outlining, that is amazing. Okay, for some reason it decides instantly to turn around. Let us analyze this again. This is oh god. That's a horrifying model. What the fuck? Heh. So it instantly decides to go the other way from being here. Hello, Struggle Chan. Heavy weeps now. This is like a clipping creates new vertices. Oh. It's just an item, never exceed the polygon limit. Oh, okay. Damn. Dude, thank you for the other sub struggle. Let's go. Strickler! Xenia! Bonjour. I heard that French are banning English words now, like English video game words. So soon you French people will be talking about La Hacque de Mario 3 times 20 plus 4. Looking forward to that. Oh, this is what it's doing. It's running to this point and then it's running to this point here. That's the issue. This is what we need. Where's my hot chocolate? Zaina's not back home yet. I'm sure she will make you one. Dude, Zaina's mom for Christmas, she gave us these balls that you put in milk and they're gonna dissolve and you get the tastiest chocolate ever. That was amazing. They were like chocolate balls that you melt. From the Mario texture you like? It is less awful, I will agree with that, but it's gonna be downscaled. I don't think it will look good, and we're still gonna have the issue that this is just gonna not run very well. I think Mario just has too many limbs to use anything other than solid colors, because loading textures is expensive. Alright, that was still weird. That is weird. How did OT make it? How did OT make it? If you looked at OT, it runs at 20 FPS and it's still lagging. That's how. The hot shocky bombs? Yes, exactly. That's what it was. I want one again. I am craving one. God, I want hot chocolate. Pro wrestling? You mean like entertainment wrestling? Like WWE? That would be funny as shit. I have the personality for it. I would make a great heel. Dude, when I was a kid, I thought WWE was the coolest shit ever. But then I grew up and I realized that it's not real, and I was very upset. Oh my god, can I type? Thank you. Is it post X? WWS drag frustrate? No, it's like... It's like an anime. WWE is an anime. But like for Westerners. Used to think, who did I like? I mean, I don't think I was cool as fuck. There was this guy that was constantly fighting with Rey Mysterio. What was his name? Eddie Guerrero, yes! That was my favorite as a kid. Yeah, the feats they pull off are still impressive, but like it's not real. I find fish even more fucked up. Oh. Yeah. Ouch. I know that some of this is unnecessary, but still, it's nice to have. Yeah, it's very sad he passed away, but that was after I stopped caring about wrestling. As soon as I found out it's not real, I was like so disappointed. I was like, what? I've been lied to. Heh. And red coins still exist? I don't know what made you think they don't. What is this level called? Lofty Leaf Lumbers. Case Discord. Oh, but we wanted this with a hammer. It's very good though. But we need this with a hammer. It's just like a squeaky hammer, just bonk. DMCA. Like a lawyer hammer almost. Like this. Is that like a clip art of it? This with a DMCA mallet. Yeah, like a squeaky lawyer hammer going DMCA. What are these then? Just found more. This one's pretty nice. Can you make one with the lawyer Melazena? That's the one I really want for the merch. Twitch ban incoming? Nah, we're fine. Forgot my pill. The left definitely still wants to steal our penises. Dennis Prager from Prager University said so. You're doing that now? Nice! Okay, good. Bad. Why do you not turn around? You stupid plant! Oh, this is why. That's cute. Are they called midget rabbits? Dwarf rabbits? Dude, I never know which one's the offensive word, midget or dwarf. Both? What's the unoffensive word? Little person? Is that calling someone special? Yes, exactly. But I mean, I'm not affected by that condition, so I wouldn't know what to do. The disease called dwarfism sort of makes sense to me, but no, that's a fantastic creature. Well, there's also the fact that often the medical terms are going to be turned into insults. For example, the word retard was just a medical term. In Germany, it's actually still a medical term, just for delayed. So in Germany, we have something... Wait, this is very funny. See, when you have a pill in Germany with a delayed response, it's just called retard pills. You just go to the doctor and you ask for retard pills. A friend of mine took them, actually, and we made fun of him for it. Yeah, and then they make a new medical term and it becomes an insult again. Which is the file I wanted to edit? There was a file I had to edit, which one was it? Heh? Am I stupid? Why did I open a new Blender tab? Oh yeah, see, this also existed and it was politically correct. It's just gonna be turned into an insult. Yes, it was Ricardo. Check hydration, here we go. probably need the pot piranha plant. Just gonna guessing this is what I want to open, but I don't remember why. Euphemism treadmill? Oh really, that is already a term. I thought I came up with that theory, but apparently not. Thank you, Bloxel. Along with Moron and Imbecile. Yeah. Discord. Did you draw the DMCA mallet? Yes, this is beautiful. Let's see, how's this gonna look as a design? My Twitter. She's quite a sprite artist. What's wrong with this? Well, I mean, it's not a sprite, but like, I don't see you can do sprite art too. Okay, I'm thinking, where does the DMCA go? Should the DMCA be maybe written like on the mallet so it's bigger? Or maybe like from top to bottom? Because right now, if you zoom out, like it's kind of small. That's my one worry with this. No, sprite art is not pixel art. Should be separate. No, it definitely needs to be on the mallet. It's gonna be part of design. Hello Tess. What is that 200 channel point reward? That is quark with milk. Quark is a very high protein, it's like curdled milk. It's very disgusting. An action bubble? That could work too. Quark is buzzing. Quark is the most disgusting food in the world. Zena tried it and she almost puked. Oh, you want the no-fat quark. Okay. So we need her to dash out after you catch her. Actually, no. Actually, yes. How do I make a dash out? I know how. I'll reuse most of the same code, and it will just work. So now she slides, gets to a halt, implements the action, switches to this action here, and then after that we'll just have her run away. Like so. Okay, so Swol's Wowie. Yes! Oh. I am the biggest Roman guy alive. As in the most muscular. Have you seen the Sonic Frontiers trailer? I have. How tall are you? 6 foot. You look really tall for some reason. I mean, I wish I was 6'3", but I'm just 6 foot. Very sad. In Germany, that's like 5'4". 6 foot in nah. Germans on average are like, I think 1 inch taller than Americans. But the Netherlands and like the region where I'm from, yeah, they're on average like 2 feet taller, 2 inches taller, or maybe even 3. So 6 foot where I live is actually just the average height. It's 183 in Ricardo, or 182.5. Ethnic Germans? Wait, what? What is that? Oh wait, you mean like actual people that grow up in Germany? There could be. The region where I'm from is kind of secluded, so most people are like Germans. Yeah, I think without immigrants where I'm from is still like 183. I mean, with them it's probably like 180. You're 5'4"? God damn. You assume you're pure German? I have no idea where my genetics are from. Your friends all towered over you. Yeah, you were tiny. And you just say so fast? Open hack. And test. Did I rename the thing? I did not. So we need to export this, and after this is exported, and then this counts as the thing being caught. So after that you just have to go out to the scroll. Average German size is 5 or 10, yeah, but like that factors in immigrants as well. Maybe 6 for all told me didn't die in the past events. True. That's kind of a pointless point. Hello, B-Talk. Oh, you mean World War II? Ha! I wonder if... actually, wouldn't World War II be more selective for tall people? Because they're more likely to survive, because they're like physically stronger. I prefer this one. This one's kind of washed out. No, but Badoop is working on it. I actually wrote with him today. He was like gone for like a month. Well, yeah, but like statistically, maybe one person's chance to die is like 57%, and another person's to die is like 60%. It's clean. That's kind of washed out. You have put time estimates minimum. Okay. Let's see. 15 hours is 2 hours. 30 hours had 2 hours. About to remote 68 hours. 100 hours for one playable maximum. Mm-hmm. 4 characters and physics 20 hours. Music sound about 10 hours. The entire console with that. Okay, we don't need that. Yeah, the mini games are pretty tough. In. Hello. Think you better. So realistically, you want the characters and the physics. And... well, not the courses, but like the bonus courses. Which I think they're like 6 or 7. So that would realistically be around 35 hours. For like the characters and the bonus content. I think you will get an offer for that, yes. Should be possible. If someone messages me again, I will forward them to you. And maybe I'll start like a fund for it. Because there have been multiple people messaging me, and we could just kind of like make a Discord group where we get all the important stuff. I don't think this is a good place, actually. This place is bad. Or when is this run? Actually, this is fine. Good. Alright, let's see if the plant does what we want, and then we animate her. This one, I'm working on it mostly alone, but someone else does the music, and sometimes people contribute models. Bye, Ricardo. I wonder how speedrunners are gonna catch this plant. Bioback has contributed a fair bit. Do I need to punch it? Nope. This is an official model in a high-selling Zelda game. Oh god, that looks like a render error. That's not the real model. It's a render error. Bioback is on vacation, actually. He's on vacation in Lena's basement. Ah, this is why. Meme review? Are you laughing? Nothing? My brain? Poor guy. Can we compile C# for N64 with its Attack on Titan compiler? I don't know. I don't know much about compilers, I'm good with coding logic. I'm using floor triangles for the tumble web, as you would expect. Okay, so this should allow it to interact, but I actually don't like how you can just go through the Piranha plant. So I'm gonna switch this up. We're going to use the igloo interact barrier, and instead of checking for interaction, we're checking with distance to Mario less than, I think, 80. Its radius is 150. It should be like 90. Actually, it should be like 70, so we can actually use 80. Actually, maybe let's make it come a bit closer. Fuck it. Meme review. Let's see. Well, time in the game also, will there be Pokemon? There will be no Pokemon in this Pokemon game. They're putting Digimon into it. Do you like to hold bingos? Sure. Especially just learn C and some C++. I don't think it matters which type of C you learn at all. I have never programmed C# and I was able to just program in C#. I have never programmed in C, and my first day of C I added Mario 64 multiplayer to Mario 64. And I have never programmed C++, and I actually had to program C++ for a commission, and I finished the entire commission. It was supposed to take 10 hours in 1.5 hours. So it doesn't matter for shit, you just have to be a good programmer. You have to hold either bingos or tungsten for 5 seconds, which one would you pick? The tungsten cube. 5 seconds is a bit short for bingos. You wouldn't even get comfortable. Normal people are not like this. Well, maybe they should be. Alright, something about this went wrong. And for some reason the plant went over here first. I don't know, I just don't like when people pretend like C code is so complicated or anything. If I could be brought over to C++? Yes. I think... Isn't C a subset of C++ or something? I think you could pretty much just take this 1-to-1 and just compile in C++. I need to set the beeper in 3 to 0. I think that was the issue. And then the squirrel should give you a star. See evidence features that C++ doesn't have? Ah, okay. CPP has smart pointers. Explain to me smart pointers. I have programmed C++, and if smart pointers are what I think you mean by them, then I fucking hate them. Are they references? Animate like this. Yeah, I can't animate like this. Is there responses padding can use with templates? A pointer dedicated memory automatically when it's destroyed. Oh. Okay, I thought you were talking about references. They're the stupidest shit I've ever seen. There are two things I hate. References and static local variables. They're just concepts that they're just mentally ill. I don't want them to exist. CPU preprocessor? Oh. No, fuck references. They just obfuscate the truth of the program. I don't like it. Static const locals are pretty harmless. Static const locals? No, I'm just talking about static locals. C#, Python, and Java compared to C. All programming languages just look like C with different syntax to me. I guess Java also has classes which are a bit fucked up, but that's about it. Like, what I mean by fucked up is instead of calling a function and passing a pointer, you just write pointer.function, which is the same as function bracket open pointer. It's just a different syntax because people are shitty with pointers. Yes, it is possible, Montreal. No, I like C best because it doesn't obfuscate the truth as much as the other languages. Well, too bad that actually that code will trigger all the time because you assigned the data case. That code makes me stupid. It doesn't mean I'm stupid, it just makes me stupid. Great. Your if condition will get optimized out by the compiler. Hello, Inksorlom. Alright, the star itself should work now, we just have to program it. I did not need to do that. Idiot is 4, okay. So you don't like things happening under the hood? Just wait until you learn about destructors. I don't mind things happening under the hood, but I don't like them obfuscating the truth unnecessarily like that. If it's practical, I don't mind it. But references, it's just for bad programmers. What are references? They are pointers, but you pretend that they're not pointers in the code you write, but they will be passed as pointers and operated on like pointers, and you can't reassign the pointers, they just like pointers in the code. They are not useful. Cool. What if I reference parameter instead of pointer parameter, so you can actually pass a null pointer, which makes your code safer? Yes, exactly, it's for bad programmers. That's what I said. Just don't pass a null pointer. They hated Case because he told the truth. Yes. Fuck references. And fuck static local variables. It's not faster, it compounds equivalently to a pointer. At least I'm pretty sure of that. Oh, it's because the squirrel doesn't have a second animation. Do you also hate classes? I am undecided yet, I don't know enough about classes to decide whether I hate or like them. I don't hate abstraction. I don't mind abstractions if it's useful. You really see what the downside of them is? They are a mental illness. They hide the truth from you. They break the beauty of the language. Everything else at least kind of resembles the truth, but pointers, references, the way you write them, like, you're missing the star in the end, which means that my mental macro, which is end means, you know, is the add you thing and star is the load word thing. My mental macro doesn't work anymore. It's just wrong now. It's not, the language loses its beauty. What happened? Heh? Okay, I don't think I'll take the that's fair. You are completely free to not take this serious. This is just a me thing. I don't know what OOP means. I know it's object-oriented programming, but what does that actually mean? The fuck you mean by an object? You mean a pointer? An object is inside of a class. Okay, a pointer. Structs, but they automatically manage themselves. Oh, they do stuff like memory allocation automatically. Yeah, that sounds pretty awful. If you want to be efficient, you have to take care of some of the memory yourself. An object is struct with function pointers, where each of the function pointers implicitly gets a pointer to the struct passed. That sounds like the exact same with the struct plus some compiler things. That compiles equivalently, I'm pretty sure. If it compiles the same, it is the same to me. Okay, why would this freeze my entire screen though? That was a bit weird. Probably because I was missing this function here. So it probably just spawned... Yeah, I think... Yes, okay, this is what happened. This didn't return a value, and these actually were not passed as floats. So it just kind of went to infinity and froze the camera. Make a tier list! Shit, what am I making a tier list from? King Engine. Did he say anything? King Engine? Is he in chat? Guys, I want to make the tier list. Did he message me in Discord? No. Y'all saw the thing, right? The tier list thing? No? Did he leave? Did we not make a tier list after all? Did he just want to sow confusion? Did he misclick? Everyone at him. Annoy the shit out of him until he says something. How hard is it to catch this plant? Hey. No. The plant gets slower the more time passes, so even if you suck, you're guaranteed to win. See how many stars you can spawn on the crashes? Probably around 400. She's actually programming Haskell, no side effects, and what is dangerous. I had to do Haskell for university, and everyone had difficulties with it except for me. I was just like, yeah, it's just other syntax. But I remember working with like 2 people that had been studying for 6 years, I think. I mean, they've been studying for 6 years, they probably sucked at programming. It was still very funny to just see their reaction to just me being able to program and them just sucking ass. Would you like it if you could use plus, minus, plus equals, minus equals? Yes, but what does the multiply and multiply equals operator mean? I guess actually you can just do it between a number or a matrix, and you can just define it whatever, depending on the other object, I guess.
Stop distracting me.
Okay, better, sorry. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. Pants. Although, I mean, on N65 I would want to call a function for that anyway, instead of having it inline like that. Okay, so much to BS talk. Worst programming language ever. What is this? What's the point of this? Skip to the end, I don't want to watch this. Let's skip the Piranha animations. I can do that with the headers I have first with the and calls functions from the game. Ah, so you get to define the operators themselves, right? I heard that's a feature of C++, I think they call it operator overloading, so you can just define operators. I mean, it's neat. It's like a useful thing for programming fast. It's a bit useless, but like other than that. I like it. I don't mind the abstraction there. It doesn't hide the truth, really. Okay, can you code in any language? This is a trick question. You're gonna be like, oh, code in Scrimblow Frick 17 for me. Remaking the engine in assembly would be a dumb decision, because it is very likely that the GCC generated assembly is already better than what humans would write.
Can you make me a Mario hack that runs in hypertext markup language?
No, I don't know what that is. So he's gonna have an acorn in its mouth, so we need to do this. I knew it, Leela. I fucking called you out. Oh my god, you cut red so hard. If you do A equals B plus B in your matrix, I can stacks on you. Oh god. That is awful. Erika or Deutschland? Erika, very clearly. I don't like the Deutschland song. Our national hymn sucks. It's very boring. Oh no, its red animation is fucked up. That is very nice. I should probably start a cutscene. Donation? A beta, thanks for the 188. That is a weird number. This is a new song. What is this? This is a medieval remix of something. Kinda quiet. Wait, never mind. Oh fuck. What? It won't let me move this? This is impossible. I am beyond upset that it won't let me move that. This goes into the bug reports. If your first bone is not 0x3. Well, that sucks. Let me make sure my armature still works. We lose the shadow, but we can do the rest. See, this is why I mean, I knew shadows were like messy on Fast 64, but this is why none of my actors are shadows. Because I'd rather just edit them like manually in a text file, because you run into issues like this. Yes, I got sus. I knew it was a new one. But it wasn't an Erica, it was just a nice song. Did I miss out on something? Like, where was the Erica? Get hoodwinked. You disappointed me. You made me cry. What? Jokes. There's actually... This is another one of the case opinions, the spicy ones. There's... How did it go? Never mind. Never mind. I'm gonna drop it. Another donation from Beta, $2.10. Back to Erica. Alright, this one's technically also anime because Rare's Japanese and these are animated characters. PC specs. I have a very average PC. My wife has a better PC than me. It's like, I think I have a GTX Ti 1050 and 12 cores at 3.6 gigahertz. Her legs need to go way faster. Unknown.png. Yes, that is exactly it. Okay, it's still too slow. There are the Easter eggs in this game. We don't need to add extra ones. I feel like this is not being added properly. Because it should be a lot faster than this. That's being done properly. Oh, I was editing the wrong one. Of course. I'm calling this anime factor because it's for animations. How many references to anime are in my repo now? Quite a few. 8 results. Oh, I've definitely run the egg before. I probably just was hesitant to do it because I didn't know I was going to dox anything important about myself doing that. That's probably the reason I was worried about the egg. It's because I'm a very cheap person and I don't like to buy things. I also have a $10 mouse and a very cheap keyboard. Heh! There we go. Who are you talking to? Everyone. There we go. Alright, run animation looks good. Next we need a fall animation and we need the squirrel to be animated. Okay, the squirrel also needs to say something after you get the acorn for it. What would the squirrel say? It does not say squirrel star. My IRL specs are pretty good. We did 51 pound curls today. I have tried speedrunning in 2013 and I quickly realized that it's the most miserable thing in the entire universe and I stopped. When you spec some bitches, like get the specs of some bitches. You mean why am I not like grading school tests? This one's chill. Is this real? It's Silver Gunner, isn't it? It is. see. I'll try this. $30. I think my full compile time was, I think, 36 seconds, so it's not that much different. What is this song? I swear I've heard this before. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. I hate this. Alright. Animation 2, please. Array is the same thing as on an int array and an int star array. That should be the same thing, right? No? Why not? Teeth feel better? Ha! Took a break off the soda. Properly cleaned your teeth. What do it? My teeth never hurt unless I use tooth floss, because I'm brutal with tooth floss and I always hurt my gums, and it's sad. Floss just makes my teeth worse. Still needs an acorn and it needs sounds. Hello Tess. Yes, a lot of progress. Maybe that's because you don't do it enough. But it just gets worse every time I do it. Because I just start bleeding when I do it because I'm so brutal with it. It's like, get in there, and then it just hurts. He fucking dead, he fucking dead. I hate floss. Wait, am I talking about floss? I'm talking about like the paper, the line, the very thin line that you use to like smash in your teeth and like it just pushes it further in, the dirt. I never actually get dirt out with it. So instead I use like the sticks and move them in from the sides and push shit out through the side. But when I do it I also hit my gums and then the gums bleed. What am I doing wrong with floss? Donation! Thank you for the €1. Hello, hello. You got a song for us?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, well, thank you for the €1. Toothpick? Yeah, I kinda use it like a toothpick. Nutrient deficiency? No, they don't bleed, it's only when I use floss. Yeah. I don't need you an alert. There was an alert. You didn't see it? It showed up on screen and there was a huge music and everything. Hello, Eva Kong. Why images only meme review? Because videos are fucking annoying. There we go. Let's try it. Instead of flashback to when I was a kid, I didn't have native loop features, so I put a song on a playlist by itself and looped the playlist. I just used the website for it. Okay, so this is the scared squirrel. And then we get the plant, and then it should be a happy squirrel. We're gonna give the plant an acorn in its mouth, and it's gonna drop the acorn when it falls. And then we should be good. Dude, I swear, this is gonna be running so many speedruns. You mean there was a loop function? There was a separate website for it. Is that missing with Anime Engine yet? No. Are you chasing the Brenda plant? Because the squirrel is sad if you don't get it. I have used some Unity, I made a simple character controller. Okay, so now we need to add the acorn in its mouth, and then we are all good. The sun. Let's see if this works out. This might look really cool. What whips do I have when I lived in Germany? I didn't have any pets. I just wanted to live as cheaply as possible, without any liabilities like pets. I don't really wanna like have pets or whatever before I don't have a house and everything. I wanna have my shit sorted out first. You had fish? I had fish for a bit, but that changed around 1 year before I actually moved to Canada. Family called you Mr. Krabs? Yeah, I've been called Mr. Krabs before too. Hello, Neovim. Very nice. Did I forget to set action and timer? I have a bad idea. Oops. Fish are low maintenance? Yeah, exactly. I basically did no maintenance at all. I just gave them food. I mean, I didn't have a big tank. I just tried to set my tank up in a way that would regulate itself. It semi-worked. It's weird. It didn't go off like intended. I need water. Can you own place? Would you have solar panels put on it? I'm wanting solar panels. I would not mind solar panels. I don't actually know if it would be worth it to like pay for them. I would have to make a cost analysis first. What's the investment return on solar panels? You can probably install them on like depth, right? So if solar panels generate 3% of their worth every year, then they are worth it. If not, then not. You sound like a stupid kid. What the fuck? Why would you do that? You poor neighbor. It's funny. Many kids are dumb though. It's just part of being a kid. I don't see why this wouldn't work. You're starting mom's credit card when you to buy a Club Penguin membership when you were 10. Okay. That is advanced weird. I hate that it does this. That is a problem. This is why. Whoops. This one might be important. Let me just... Fuck. Get the plant, idiot. Okay, it needs infinite render radius, because otherwise that will happen, and that's not good. Alright, that is better. One second. Right, infinite render distance.
What?
What? Alright, let's add sounds to this. Can we add what? We do a Goomba alert here. Let's do a wiggler jump, why not? This should sound good. Yes, beautiful sounds. Except for the enemy alert. That one didn't work. Let's try this. Yes, this is real directional light. It's the same sound. That's the problem. The jump sound and the alert sound is the same. Real directional light is not as complicated as it sounds. Most N64 games had it. It's just that Mario 64 had a bug. Let's do it this way. No, Mario 64 had it, not Fast 64. Although Fast 64 also has an issue related to that. It keeps exporting lights even though it shouldn't. Now I have a million unused lights in my entire repository, and it's very frustrating. Alright, I think we're done with the Piranha plant. Star 7 officially done. And Star 5. Only thing missing now is the 8-bit pipe to the Donkey Kong 64 thing. Donkey Kong 95. And then we're done. That means for today I'm gonna go offline, and I'll see you guys next stream, which is tomorrow. Bye bye.